Install Visual Studio. Click on the first link, which is the official link for installation, Visual Studio Microsoft.com. In this website, you will find there are three types of editions for Visual Studio. First one is for community, second one is for professional, and third one is for enterprise. So first one, which is a community edition, free and open source for contributors. Second is a paid version. However, we can use for the trial version, which is around for 30 days for the trial use. And third one is for the enterprise, which is for the use for the big teams. Click on this free download. Starts downloading for Visual Studio Setup exe. If you see this exe, which is just a installer setup, which is around 3.6 MB, double click on it. So this Visual Studio install, it will install a Visual Studio installer. Click continue. Once installer has been installed, then it will open all the default feature for the development. Now we are looking for the C++ development. So we'll uncheck this default options, which is for ASP.NET Web development. Uncheck this one, same for Azure development. Automatically, the space requirement will be reduced from here. If you see here, it's showing the total space required 7.38 GB. Uncheck everything. Okay. Now go for this desktop and mobile development. Here you will find desktop development with the C++. Build modern C++ app or Windows using tools your choice, including MSVC, Clang, CMake, or MS Build. Okay, so this MSVC is Microsoft Visual C++. Check on it. So it will select the default options, installations, or components which is required for the C++ development. And here also you can see the total space required, that is 8.86 GB. Okay, just check it once whether we have checked any other than this C++ development. So one more you can observe here, the install while downloading. There are two options, download all and then install, and install while downloading. So we'll choose the first option, which is default. So it will install as well as it will download as well as install. So and click on the install. Now downloading has been started. In the first progress tab, you can see downloading and verifying. So it's like 150 160 MB of 2.4 GB. And how much installation has been progressed, you can see here 22 out of 438. Okay, it will take time depending on the internet connection we have. Now you can see this installation is finishing up. It's 99% is done. So now it's installing, cleaning up. Yes. So this is the final message. Visual Studio has been successfully installed. We recommend to rebooting to clean up any remaining files and all. Okay, so it's recommended by Visual Studio to just once reboot your system, click on OK. So it's showing the final message, Visual Studio Community 2022 17.6.0 version.